Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we set default text size in our Oppo phone. Guys, you want to set guys your default text size setting in your Oppo phone, so friends you can set. And guys, now let's see how to set the default text size in our Oppo phone. In this video friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all you can subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. We will on our phone setting to set a default text size. Then guys scroll. Once you can see personal setting, friends tap here. Once you can see your font and display size setting, tap here. And scroll. Once you can see your font size and text size setting, as you can set your default text size, large size, very large, medium size. So we will click on default option, apply from here. So you can see guys your text default size. So guys, we call it guys tag default size, you can see. So like that guys, you can set your default text size in your Oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.